Welcome to Auto Fusion, your ultimate hub for everything on wheels. From timeless classics to cutting-edge electric rides, we bring you detailed insights, passionate reviews, and a deep dive into the world of automobiles. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to subscribe and stay connected. Today, we're diving into something truly special: the all-new 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. A legendary name reborn, the Karmann Ghia has always held a unique place in automotive history, and now it returns with a modern twist that blends vintage elegance with future-ready technology. The original Karmann Ghia, first introduced in the 1950s, was a design collaboration between German coach builder Karmann and the Italian styling house Ghia. It was a car that wasn't built for speed, but for beauty. A rolling sculpture with graceful curves and a timeless presence. Fast forward to 2026, and Volkswagen has decided to bring this iconic nameplate back to life. But this time, it's not just about looks. The new Karmann Ghia combines its heritage design with an all-electric powertrain, pushing it into the moderns era. At first glance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia grabs your attention with its sleek, sculpted body. Volkswagen has done an excellent job maintaining the soul of the original design, while integrating contemporary details like LED lighting, flush door, handles, and a closed-off front grille that hints at its electric heart. The signature rounded fenders, low-slung profile, and minimalist silhouette all pay homage to the past, while the new aerodynamic lines ensure it's ready for the future. Underneath the stunning body lies Volkswagen's latest MEB platform, the same one that powers the ID series. The Karmann Ghia comes with a dual-motor setup, producing around 300 horsepower and delivering all-wheel drive performance. It can go from 0 to 60 mph in just under 5 seconds, making it not only a beautiful cruiser, but also a genuinely quick electric coupe. With a range of around 320 miles on a single charge, it's built for both daily driving and weekend getaways. Step inside, and the cabin is a perfect mix of retro inspiration and modern minimalism. There are soft leather touches, brushed aluminum accents, and even a classic-looking steering wheel that nods to the original. A sleek digital cockpit and large infotainment screen bring it all into the digital age, supporting the latest in connectivity, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Volkswagen has also included sustainable materials throughout the interior, making the Karmann Ghia not just stylish but environmentally conscious. Driving the 2026 Karmann Ghia is an experience in itself. It's quiet, smooth, and composed. Whether you're gliding through city streets or enjoying a winding coastal road, this car brings a sense of emotion that's rare in the modern automotive world. The adaptive suspension ensures comfort, while offering a bit of sportiness when you want it. It's not trying to be a supercar, it's meant to be something more personal, more soulful. What makes this car even more special is what it represents. In an age dominated by technology, the Karmann Ghia brings back a sense of romance to driving. It proves that electric cars don't have to be cold or clinical. They can be artistic, emotional, and deeply human. Volkswagen plans to release the Karmann Ghia in limited numbers, making it a true collector's item from day one. Whether you're a fan of classic cars, electric innovation, or just great design, this is a car that speaks to all of us. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, make sure to like, comment, and share your thoughts below. What do you think about this modern revival? Would you drive one? Let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Fusion for more in-depth car reviews, industry news, and future classics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.